If you plan to replace your broken or chipped front end, searching for each part can be costly and time-consuming. Fortunately, we've got the perfect grill kit that comes with everything that you need. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1982 to 87 El Camino and 1982 and 83 Malibu grill kits. Our complete kit includes a center grill and 2 headlight bezels, all at a discounted price. The grill and headlight bezels are manufactured from injection molded ABS plastic using case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. All parts are finished with a bright chrome plating for that mirror-like appearance. In addition, grills and bezels feature the correct mounting holes and tabs, including the mounting points for the emblems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.